Today's session, I would like to explain this hover animation. When you hover on this one, so we'll get some animations, right? Okay, so we'll create using HTML and CSS. So hover animation. Okay, so let me open Visual Studio. Okay, let me open Visual Studio. So here I'll create a new file. Okay, so we can save the file with hover animation style 1. Hover animation style 1 dot html. Okay, now let me save this file in our source folder. So go to our desktop. So here we go, we have a source folder css demos. So here I'll save my file. Okay, after saving this file, I'll write the code here. So this is a shortcut for creating this HTML, and in the title itself we will write over animation style 1. In next class, okay, in next class we'll see two more styles, how to apply animation styles. Okay, see, look at this image here. So we have one div with a border and along with a text and a button. Inside we will place an image. Okay, so here we go. So in order to create this one, okay, so let me create one div. Okay, so for this div I'm taking the class, okay, hover hover ex, hover hyphen ex, hover example, and for a id, okay, so here hover style 1. Okay, so inside of this let me create, okay, one heading name with animal park, animals park. So after that let me create one paragraph. So in that I'm making a dummy text. Okay, or make it to 18. Okay, I'll make it a dummy text. After that let me create one button here, button with a read. Okay, so let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so that we will create one text, okay, one heading and text and button there. Okay, now let me apply some styles in the head section. So go to the style tag. Okay, so I'm taking here hover example as a class name. Okay, and for this we need to write some css. Okay, so before that, for body, so I'm taking the body here. Okay, for the body, background color gray. Okay, for hover example, so for the div we need to take here width. Okay, so width you can give like 300 pixels. Okay, so next we'll apply some height for the div. Okay, like 450 pixels. Okay, and after that, okay, we can apply some color here, color green. Okay, so when you hover on this one, I'll make it to more green effect. Okay, or we can make it to white color. Okay, next, So I'm just applying a border for this. Okay, 10 pixels. I'm taking a ridge border, ridge. Okay, and along with white color, white color. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so we can make here a border. Okay, and gray color. Now let me apply on this gray color. We'll make it to more dark. Okay, next what we will do here, so we can apply some background color for this div. So for background color, I'm just applying a transparent. Okay, so after that, let me take some margin. Okay, 100 pixels, top and bottom, and we will write left and right auto. So we will write this margin 100 pixels auto. It means it make it as a center position. Now look at this, it make a center position here. So here we need to place an image tag. For image, I'm taking the image tag. So here we will place this animals.png, and alternative text, we'll place the text here. And now for this image, okay, for this image, so I'm providing some width here, width 200 pixels. Okay, so let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So we'll place here a image there. So next what we will do here, so we will apply some padding here. Okay, 20 pixels, it makes you that's a 20 pixels padding. And after that, let me make this text align center position, so it will makes you the text as a center position. Okay, now we'll create this div here. Okay, and we will place some text here. Okay, now what happened in the sense, like we need to style up this button. Okay, so we can place the button. Before that, so I need to apply, this is a hover animations, right? So this is a beautify file, I can beautify our code. Okay, so here before that, okay, this is a animations, we can place the cursor, right? So I need to write the cursor property, cursor equal to pointer. So whenever user hover on this one, it will act as a pointer here. Okay, so we will write here a cursor equal to pointer for this. Okay, so next I'll make a button there. For button, we can apply some CSS. We need to make some CSS here. Let me take a background color yellow. Okay, so when you hover on this, yeah, this is good. And just make it border radius. Okay, 200 pixels. And after that, let me take some padding. Okay, 14 pixels and 30 pixels. Okay, so here you can make top and bottom 15 pixels, left and right will make it 30 pixels here. Okay, and for this one, so I'll remove the border, so I don't want this border. For this, we'll write here none. So let me go to this, just reload this page. See, so I'll make a button here. Okay, with a yellow color background. Now we can apply some hover animations. Now we will apply this hover animation style one. Okay, so before apply hover animation style one, so here is an ID here. You can copy this ID, you can paste it here. Okay, so ID is denoted with hash. Okay, I'll take this ID here. Okay, now for first one, so this is a parent, right? So this is a child item, so we have, so that I'm just applying here. Okay, position property, so position a relative property. And also, so I need a smooth transition. Okay, so we will apply here transition properties, transition duration. Okay, so you can apply 0.5 seconds or 0.4 or 0. Okay, whatever you want, you can apply here. See here, I'm just applying, I need 0.4 milliseconds, so that I'm just applying here 0.4 seconds. Okay, so after that, let me paste this again this. Okay, so for this, okay, whenever user hover on this one, okay, whenever user hover on this div box, okay, you can apply some color here, color white. Okay, again I'll take this div. So here after, okay, so whenever user hover, so after it will perform some CSS. Okay, so that we will write here, so position absolute there. I'm taking this position absolute for this after. Okay, and the content, so inside of content I'll place nothing here, so I'll make it here a empty space. Okay, and width, so for width I'm taking this 0%. Height I'm taking this 0%. Okay, and let me take here a background color. Okay, so this time I need a green color here, so let me take here the green. Green color. Okay, so for this green color, yeah, so I'm taking a background this green. Okay, next after the background, so here we will write this position, right? So for top it is always 0, and for bottom also. Okay, uh, on right side also I need a 0 for this one. Okay, now I'll apply some transitions. For transition, like I'll apply here a time for smooth animations. Okay, for smooth animations we will apply 4 seconds. After that, okay, so it is always hide. Okay, it is always overlapping the property. Okay, so I need here a G index, so it will helps you the background color. Okay, will stay, okay, backside of this div. So we will write always minus minus negative values, so it is overlap. Okay, so this color will be overlap the div using this G index property. Okay, now we'll take here, okay, we'll take before. Now the after is over, right? So we'll place here before property. For before, okay, the same thing you will write here, position, okay, and background color, bottom, same. I'm taking the same styles for before also, the same background, same width and height. So here, and for after I will take this width like top and right. So here we will write a bottom left. Okay, for bottom is 0, left side also will 0. Okay, and the same will make it here. We'll copy and paste it here. Okay, now, and okay, whenever user hover on this one, okay, hover, okay, before, comma, we can paste here, comma, so here we'll hover on this. Okay, so here we'll make it to after. Okay, so after we'll inside, okay, we'll make it here width 100%, height 100%. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, when I hover on this one, see, so we'll get here an animation. Okay, so like this we can